All right, all right. Hey, Live Good family. It's Brian coming to talk to you once again. And this time I have something very exciting to share with you. Everybody's been talking about AI, and it's probably pretty scary for a lot of people how to use AI, what AI is all about. But you've never been living in a better time to build an online business than right now that we have AI that's actually free for us to use. And the only thing stopping you from having an incredible success is not doing what I'm about to show you, because this saves so much time, makes you sound so professional. So many times you're going to be afraid, like when you people are afraid to send out invites because then they don't know what to say if somebody responds to them. Guess what? You can teach AI to be your marketing genius, and you can just ask AI what to say and what to do, and AI will tell you the exact words to say, how to have success. Let me show you how, and I got to give credit to this little training to our diamond leader Curry Russell. He's doing such an amazing job as a leader for this team, and I always learn new good things. If you're on this team Diamond Domination, definitely check out his training, diamonddomination.com, and he's got lots of great tips and tricks and stuff there for you. I'm going to leave a link here in this video for that. But in the meantime, I want to teach you how to use AI totally free to build your Live Good business. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to chat.openai.com. This is completely free to use. You can buy the paid version, but you don't need it. Just go to chat.openai.com, sign up, get yourself a free account, and I'm going to show you how to use it to have success with LiveGood. It's actually going to make reaching out to people so much fun, and that you're not going to be afraid to do it. And when people respond to you, no matter what they say, uh, Chat GPT will give you the right response. It's amazing because Chat GPT is using all the best information out there in the world from all the top network marketers and business people that have ever lived and put information on the internet. Chat GPT is able to go disseminate all that information and give you the best practices, what to say, when to say it, how to say it. She'll even I'll call it she will even help you develop a business plan based on your schedule. I'm going to show you how to do all that here today. So let's get started. First of all, the first thing you're going to need to do is prompt ChatGPT. Prompting it means telling it how you want it to respond, how you want it to be. So this came from Curry Russell. So right in the first prompt, write, you are a professional network marketer for a wholesale membership club. You build your entire business using social media and Facebook Messenger to recruit new people. Do you understand? This tells ChatGPT what you want it to be. So let's say we want you to be that marketing expert for us. Yes, I totally understand. As a professional network marketer for a wholesale club, you primarily rely on social media. So this is basically saying, yep, I get you. I understand what you need me to do. So one thing that happens is I asked it to give me a good little pitch. Say, hey, I want to reach out to people, and I asked it, and it gave me this little message, which is I think pretty good. You can give it more prompts, but mine said, hey, prospect's name. So hey, Joe, exciting news! I discovered a game-changing video that reveals a life-changing opportunity. It's short, powerful, and it will blow your mind. Watch it at ourfreetour.com, which is my little website from my landing page. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Let's chat afterward. This is really key. If you're just sending out a bunch of messages without getting some kind of commitment that you want to talk to them about it, then you're really wasting your time sending those messages. So can't wait to hear your thoughts. So basically, you've set it up with this little prompt that you're sending them the message and you're going to follow up. So follow up later that day, the next day, depending on the time, how you feel. But it's totally cool, long as you're not being pushy, you're not trying to sell overpriced, expensive products. It's just a simple little invite. But there's some more cool things too. So now, say for example, somebody responds to you, yeah, I'm I'm too busy. I don't have time to do anything else. So you could say a prospect responded SPOND that they are too busy to look. What would you say to them? Watch this. So you sent out the message. Somebody said, hey, I'm too busy. Oh, I better spell prospect right here. That's that ChatGPT. Look at this. Now, this is way too long. It's really good stuff, but watch this. Let's be more specific. Please make it shorter and PECIFICA specifically to a, say it's a single mom that you were sent it to. Short and enticing. I spell enticing? Enticing? All right. Watch this. Here we go. You could literally copy and paste this. Hey there, I completely understand that being a single mom can be incredibly busy. However, I wanted to let you know about an amazing opportunities that could provide you with extra income and flexibility. Imagine having access to exclusive wholesale prices on everyday items, saving money on groceries, household products. So you have to adjust this because we haven't told it everything we do. I know time is precious, but look at this. Now, this is really powerful. Let's say somebody says, a prospect reply, oops, they can't afford to do anything right now. What would you say in under 50 words? Sorry about my slow typing skills, but this shows you if I can do it, anyone can do it. So look at this. Hey, I completely understand. Our opportunity is designed to help people save money and earn extra income. When you're ready, I'd really be happy to discuss it, how it can fit within your budget. Keep it in mind for the future. Take care. So even Chat GPT knows not to be pushy. You don't have to be pushy. That's a totally professional response. Nobody can be upset with it, and they'll probably go look at your Tor link later. You left it wide open. What else? Oh, watch this. Um, Please create a short invitation to an athlete to look at my video link and take the whoops the free tour. Keep it under 50 words, create excitement and curiosity. So for me to try to come up with this, I would have to be thinking so much, but ChatGPT just pops it out like this. Hey, athlete, I came across something incredible I think you'll love. Check out this mind-blowing video and take a free tour. It's a game changer for athletes like you. Get ready to unlock your full potential. Insert your link right there. Game on. Now that is just powerful. Now, actually, I want to show you one more thing. I don't want this video to be too long, but how do you have success? You need a business plan, right? So watch this. Create a business plan with daily action steps to enroll 100 new affiliates in the next 90 days by working 2 hours per day, 6 days per week. Guys, AI will go to work for you if you just go and play around with it and learn this stuff. Watch this. Business plan to enroll 100 new affiliates in the next 90 days. Daily action steps. Everything you need to do, you commit the time. Maybe you can work 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. Maybe you can work 3 hours a day, 6 days a week. I don't know what your schedule is, but this will actually build an actual daily action steps to have success and do exactly what you want to do. Look at this, 30 minutes, identify and connect with prospects. This plan is from the best of the best in the entire world. This is what they do, and that's why ChatGPT has access to this. It's the best practices from around the world. This is how you can enroll 100 people in the next 90 days, but you actually have to do it. So look at this. Identify and connect with 30 minutes a day. Connect and outreach. Reach out to people. Tells you exactly what to do. Now, that's all I want to do today. I really like this one that it gave to me. Hey, Joe, exciting news. I discovered a game-changing video that reveals life-changing opportunity. It's short, powerful, blow your mind. I think it's not too pushy, but it's exciting, and I'm going to use this today. I just created it a few minutes ago. It looks amazing to me. Why not use it? So that's all I want to say to you today, guys. Use ChatGPT to build your business. All these people are out there trying to get you to buy leads. Like Curry says, there's billions of leads on Facebook. You don't have to go any further than that. Get in there, connect with people, make new friends, create conversations, and use AI to your benefit. It's out there. You don't have to think about what you're going to say to people. You This here tool will help you sound completely professional, not pushy. You ask it how you want it to be. Just say you want to create enthusiasm. You don't want to be pushy. Say whatever you want to it, and it will create that for you. That's all I want you to know for today. You have a great day. All the power to you. AI all the way.